Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this USB-C wall charger and surge protector. So I'm going to plug this into an outlet and then I'm going to measure the voltage coming out of the USB-C ports and the USB-A ports. But this has surge protection on the plug-ins. We can plug 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in. Here's what it looks like around back. Now we do have to remove this before we plug it in, and it does come with a screw. So we're going to take the cover off and screw this in. Come over to your outlet. You're simply going to take that center screw out. It's usually a straight slot. Take it out. Now leave the cover on. The cover's a little loose, but leave it on. Then take this. You're going to plug this in like this. And then we're going to put the screw through this. So now put the screw in here and then tighten that down. Now it's held secure to the wall. If I plug stuff in and out, it's not going to come out. Okay, so I've got it plugged into a plug-in so I can do some testing. Now when that green light is on, that means the surge protection is working. So right now I've got it plugged into my iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's providing 5 volts at 1.69 amps. So it's not going to fast charge. Fast charging an iPhone requires 20 watts, but it's going to charge the iPhone pretty good. So now I've got it plugged into my Samsung S22 and it's providing 5 volts at 1.46 volts. So again, it doesn't support super fast charging, and it says that the USB-C port is not a quick charge 3.0 and does not support fast charging. So the rating on it is 15 amps as far as the plug-in part, 125 volts AC, 60 hertz, 1,875 watts. And the surge protection is up to 1,680 joules. So it sticks out from the wall right around 2 inches. Here is about 2 1/4. At its max, it's about almost 4 inches. Up, down, you're looking at right around 5.5. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.